Plume of dust.
Good job.
Oops, gotta quit doing that, I ain't got bumper.
I know. Savannah, no. No! No, I can't see you.
Currently, 1 minute into this race with 5 minutes remaining, and the running order is 8, 9, 10. Currently, 6 minutes into this race with 4 minutes remaining, and the running order is 8, 9, 10.
Wow. You have another bird in the prey, I see. What do I get if I hit you?
Yeah, hit me with on the field.
Currently, 3 minutes into this race with 3 minutes remaining, and the running order is 8, 9, 10. Halfway into heat number 3.
Come on, I'm only going half throttle. Where you at? Oh, I see.
Currently, 4 minutes into this race with 2 minutes remaining, and the running order is 8, 9, 10.
I was wondering what you were planning on doing. I'm spending more time watching where you're at now than I am driving. Oh, you wanted to get out in the sun, huh? Okay. That was 3 quarters. I almost caught you.
Currently, 5 minutes into this race with 1 minute remaining, and the running order is 8, 10, 9.
I'm going to run it now. Man, I seen you at the last minute and I was on full gas. That would have been...
Go! Go!
You trying to distract me?
Make you faster up here.
Finish your lap. 8, 10, finish. Race over. The finishing order was 8, 10, 9. 1 minute before the next race.
Sorry about that.
No, you're right. It's just screw off lap now. Up in the air, no air brake.
Right.